Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick tutorial video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Age of Empires 2 on your mobile phone or your PC. So steps are very simple. Please stay with me. First of all, what you do is you can simply go to your Google. You come to this section where you can see this interface, and you can see when you scroll down, you can see a search. Simply type search as tab type Age of Empire, and it will pop up with this options. Simply tap on that and you can see once you tap on that you can see it will come, and Age of Empire 4, so you can simply buy from here. It has a price and you can simply buy from here. It has the buy price is $39.99 add to cart, and you can simply buy from here. This is the one method, and if you have this if you haven't have this account, then you can simply create your account here and you can simply buy from here. And this is the method that you can use to download Age of Empire 2. And another method is you can simply go to your Microsoft buy section and simply buy from there. But this is the easy option, so use this option, guys. This steps, follow these steps, and you can simply download Age of Empire 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and give the thumbs up.